of understanding we sown along the way. Every ending is a fertile beginning where insight becomes the seed of future excellence. A very warm and distinguished evening to one and all. With profound joy and immense respect, we gather virtually for the valedictory ceremony of the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Virtual Competition 2025, an event meticulously organized by the Kerala Law Academy Law College in proud association with the Kerala Law Academy, Moodcourt Society, and IQSE KLA. Kerala Law Academy stands apart as the only institution in the country that proudly hosts 5 national and international competitions every year, an enduring testament to its commitment to academic excellence and global engagement. What a remarkable journey this has been, from arguments woven with intellectual precision to complex resolutions crafted in the spirit of collaborative harmony. As we draw the curtains on yet another supremely successful edition, we celebrate not merely the eventual winners, but the unwavering spirit of dialogue, respect, and enduring understanding that trial advocacy truly embodies.
At its core, trial advocacy is not merely about arguing a case. It is about seeking justice through skillful storytelling, ethical reasoning, and unwavering professionalism. It embodies the ability to present truth in the most compelling manner before a court, combining legal knowledge, strategic thinking, and effective communication. Over the past few rigorous days, we have been privileged to witness some of the nation's most dynamic young legal minds skillfully understand the law deeply, mastering the facts and weaving both together logically and persuasively with exceptional eloquence and profound ethics. Each round was a testament to the rising generation's profound commitment to a just, collaborative, and compassionately governed legal order. We are deeply and profoundly honored to have amidst us eminent dignitaries and distinguished academicians who have graciously joined us for this closing ceremony. Your presence, your invaluable guidance, and your unwavering encouragement truly lend immeasurable grace and significance to this momentous occasion. Before we formally proceed, let us take a moment to applaud the unwavering spirit of every participant. Your passion, your professionalism, and your sheer intellectual integrity have successfully transformed this competitive event into a true celebration of future legal leadership.
To commence the valedictory proceedings, we are truly privileged to invite N.K. Shashidharan Sir, Assistant Professor of Kerala Law Academy Law College, to deliver the welcome address to this valedictory session. Sir, the passion of you bring to teaching continues to inspire every student who walks into your class. Your constant support and encouragement have made a lasting impact on all of us. Beyond the classroom, your thoughtful guidance, calm leadership, and unwavering commitment to the ethos of this institution have helped shape many of our academic journeys. Your presence today adds the warmth and meaning to this occasion, and we are honored to begin the session with your words. With immense pleasure, I welcome you, sir, to deliver the welcome address. So please.
Esteemed Professor Dr. N. Krishnakumar, Secretary, Kerala Legislative Assembly, Advocate Dilip Satyan, criminal lawyer and special prosecutor for the Kerala Police, Advocate Vijay Mohan Aras, special public prosecutor for First Track Special Court Trivandrum, Advocate Ashok P. Nair, senior criminal lawyer, Trivandrum, Advocate Nagaraj Narayan, Director, Kerala Law Academy Law College, and member, Bar Council of Kerala, Professor Anil Kumar K., Director of Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy Law College, respected faculty members, distinguished guests, participants, and members of the legal fraternity, a very good evening to one and all. The trial advocacy competition is not merely a platform for contest. It is a powerful stimulation of courtroom proceedings where law students step into the roles of advocates, witnesses, and judges, It brings the real spirit of litigation into the academic sphere, allowing participants to experience the intensity of a trial, the strategy behind every argument, and the discipline of courtroom conduct. We are deeply honored to have with us Dr. N. Krishnakumar, Secretary of the Kerala Legislative Assembly, a distinguished figure in the legal fraternity and a respected academician. His remarkable contribution to the field of law, coupled with his steadfast commitment to nurturing young legal minds, have made him a beacon of inspiration for aspiring advocates across the state. With a wealth of institutional experience and an unwavering dedication to the ideals of justice, equity, and public service, he continues to guide and shape the next generation of lawyers with clarity, compassion, and vision. We are truly privileged to have him with us to deliver the valedictory address of this event, and we look forward to his words with great anticipation. We extend a warm and respectful welcome to you, sir, and are truly grateful for your esteemed presence today. We are deeply honored to welcome Advocate Dilip Satyan, a distinguished senior criminal lawyer and the special prosecutor for the Kerala Police, Thiruvananthapuram. With over 25 years of dedicated service in the legal field, he has led numerous complex criminal prosecutions, particularly in cases involving homicide and other serious offenses. We are truly privileged to have him here today to deliver the presidential address, sharing his invaluable insights and experience with all of us. We warmly welcome you, sir, and thank you for joining us for this session. It is our honor and privilege to welcome Advocate Vijay Mohan R.S., Special Public Prosecutor for Fast Track Special Court Trivandrum, a distinguished advocate renowned for his profound expertise, integrity, and commitment to the legal profession. He has stood firmly and fearlessly with the survivors in more than 100 landmark POSCO cases, fetching favorable judgments to them. Today, we are truly fortunate to have him with us to deliver the keynote address, where he will share his valuable insights, guidance, and vision for the aspiring lawyers present here. Sir, it is a pleasure to have you with us today. It's a great privilege to welcome Mr. Ashok P. Nair, a senior criminal lawyer from Trivandrum, whose distinguished career and deep understanding of criminal law have made him a respected authority in the legal community. We are honored to have you, sir, with us today to deliver the special address and share your invaluable perspective with all present here. I extend a hearty welcome to Assistant Professor Shibu PG, who will be proposing a vote of thanks in this session. Next, I move on to welcome Advocate Nagaraj Narayan, Director of Kerala Law Academy and member of the Bar Council of Kerala. He stands as the steadfast pillar of our institution, a guiding force whose commitment to academic excellence and student development inspires everyone at KLA. His vision and leadership have continuously elevated the standards of our college. We extend our heartfelt gratitude and warmest welcome to you, sir. We also extend a very warm welcome to Professor Anil Kumar K, Director of Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs. His proactive leadership and innovative approach have fostered numerous initiatives that enhance the academic and professional environment of our college. His deep understanding of modern educational methods and unwavering dedication to students' growth make him an invaluable asset to our institution. Sir, we are truly privileged to have your presence with us today. We at Kerala Law Academy Law College have conducted offline inter-class trial advocacy competitions under the guidance of Professor K. Anil Kumar. Students have received it with great enthusiasm, which provided a real courtroom experience of trial of a criminal case. In fact, the same problem is used in this competition also. A sincere and profound welcome goes to our esteemed principal, Professor K. Harindran, whose unwavering dedication to academic excellence and institutional progress has always been the cornerstone of our college. Sir, it is our pleasure to have you with us today. A special welcome to Professor Anil Kumar Ji, Vice Principal of Kerala Law Academy Law College, whose distinguished career reflects a deep commitment to holistic education and character formation. It is our privilege to have you with us. Privilege to have you with us in today, sir. We are also delighted to welcome Professor Dr. Ajita Nair L, Head of Department of Law, whose more than 25 years of dedicated service to Kerala Law Academy have been marked by academic brilliance and mentorship. Ma'am, we are truly honored to have you with us today. Our heartfelt welcome goes to Dr. Dakshina Saraswati, Associate Professor and General Secretary of Kerala Law Academy Moot Court Society. We also warmly welcome our faculty conveners, assistant professors Shakti Prabha, Shibu PG, Shibin MI, and Gayatri Devi GB. I extend a hearty welcome to the Kerala Law Academy Moot Court Society team, Dr. Malaviga J, assistant professors Shalini AP, Giridhar V, Nair Saraswati, Bala Saraswati, Subin Chako Matthew, Manu Krishna, and student conveners Arjun Sunil and Aishwarya Tulasi. A very warm welcome to the Moot Court Society student conveners B.S. Prarthana Karma, Gauri Sevi, Irene S. Sacharian, Anandu Lal, S.K., S. Nidhi, Jaya Gobiga, Ajit Darshan, and Anandin V. A warm welcome also to the anchors of today's session, Gauri CV and George Abraham Thomas. Finally, a special word of welcome to all our participants from across India. Your enthusiasm, dedication, and competitive spirit have transformed this event into a national forum for courtroom learning, legal listening, and advocacy excellence. Once again, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all our guests, faculty members, participants, and delegates. Your presence here reflects your commitment to legal education and the noble mission of shaping future advocates. May this competition ignite new ideas, foster collaboration, and strengthen our shared commitment to excellence in advocacy. Thank you, and let us look forward to a stimulating and enriching experience ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderfully warm and heartfelt welcome. I take this opportunity to officially welcome you as well, sir, to this pivotal event. And now we arrive at a moment of profound significance. We are deeply privileged to welcome a luminary whose career has set a monumental standard for commitment, global advocacy, and ethical justice. Please join me in welcoming Mr. N. Krishnakumar, sir, Secretary of the Kerala Legislative Assembly. Sir, your presence here today is a privilege for us, and we look forward to your insights. Your exemplary contributions to legal academia and unwavering commitment to nurturing young minds have made an indelible mark on India's legal landscape. As a seasoned administrator and scholar, you have played a pivotal role in shaping legislative processes and strengthening democratic institutions in Kerala. Your ability to bridge academic rigor with practical governance has earned your admiration across both legal and legislative circles. It is indeed a singular honor to host you with us, sir. Sir, we warmly welcome you to this session.
senior criminal lawyer of the bar, Advocate Dilip Satyan, who is presiding this function. Advocate Vijay Mohan, special prosecutor, who is going to deliver the keynote address. My friend Advocate Ashok P. Nair, senior criminal lawyer, Trivandrum Bar, who is delivering the special address. Mr. N. K. Shashidharan, assistant professor of Kerala Law Academy Law College, who has expressed welcome address, has welcomed us. Mr. Shibu PG, assistant professor of the college, who will be delivering the vote of thanks. My dearest friends, Arindran sir, who is the principal of the college, G. Anil sir, Dr. Ajita, Dr. Dakshina, other faculty members. Then the organizers began the program. Bala Saraswati, Manu Krishna, other persons, Shakti, my student Shakti. He was a dear student of the teachers of the law college. And other personalities, dignitaries from various parts of the country. Good evening to all of you. I'd like to begin with a simple story. There once was a boat driver who tried to start the engine of the boat on a busy morning. He was very tensed. Because of the stress, or maybe because of some other reasons, he was not able to start the engine of the boat. He tried again and again. He tried to switch on all the switches which are there in the boat, but in vain. He could not. What he did, he called the engineer, a young engineer who has passed the MTech recently, and he asked that engineer to repair the boat. He also tried with all his tools and all his theoretical knowledge, which he has studied in his engineering college. He tried his best. He could not succeed. At that time, an old man, he appeared like a beggar with a long beard and all. He came forward and asked the driver, "Sir, may I try?" At first, this driver was reluctant to allow him. Anyway, later on, there was no other means before him. So he allowed that old man. What he did, he took a big stone and he started to strike at the very different parts of the engines of the boat. Then the driver of the boat, he shouted, "Are you mad? Are you trying to break my boat?" Then that old man, with a smiling face, he replied, "Sir, you just try to start the engine." Anyway, he tried to start the engine and the engine started and it moved forward. Then this driver was astonished how this man, this engineer could not succeed, how this man has started this engine. So he raises the question to him. Then his answer was like this: "Sir, I am a scrap collector, person collecting scraps. Usually, I get opportunity to purchase old boats. But the authorities in the yard, they may not allow me to break that boat or to collect the parts of the boat. They ask usually to take it to a distant island. If I want to carry those boats to different islands, I have to hire other boats. So for that, I have to spend a lot of money. So what I did, I used to strike like this at different parts of the boat where there is chance of rusting. See, machines of the boat which are getting contact with the with the water, they may get rusted. So I usually strike at those points and I usually get succeed. This is This was the answer given by that old man. What I am trying to explain is senior lawyers, including my senior, they may not have LLM or PhD, but they have something extra. That is in a single word, experience. So there is saying experience leads to expertise. In Malayalam, anubhavam vaibhavathinu ഉപയോഗിക്കും. So their experience, they may not be having good higher degrees and all, but through experience in conducting cases, they are getting breadth of knowledge. So what I'm trying to explain is in advocacy also, we need, especially in the lower echelons of judiciary, up to district judge level or district court level, sessions court level, what we need is skill rather than knowledge. So what is the difference between knowledge and skill? Knowledge is something textual, theoretical, whereas skill is something contextual. Knowledge is textual and skill is contextual. How to apply that knowledge as per the requirements, that is skill. An MTech, a mechanical engineering graduate who has passed in rank, with rank or in class, he may not be able to repair a car easily. A mason from the local workshop, he may do it very well. What he is having, that workshop mason is having is skill. So if then one more thing is that through conducting these trial court advocacy or trial advocacy, what we are giving the students is the skill of articulating ideas, how to cross-examine the witness, what are things to be asked and what are things not to be asked. There's a book called Art of Cross-Examination. I think that may be there in our library also. That is there in my senior's library in the lower court. See, the question is, what are the questions which are not to be asked? That is more important than what are the questions which are to be asked. We call it wisdom. Knowledge is, I told you, knowledge is theoretical. Skill, see, a person who is having sufficient knowledge may not be able to take a class or make a presentation very well if he is not having a good communication skill. Even if he is having knowledge and skill, one more thing is required. One more thing is required means the third thing, that is called attitude. Attitude is also important. The word attitude has got a different feature. If you assign number 1 to the letter A, 2 to the letter B, and like that, attitude, if you take the word attitude A, if you put 1 for A, T for 20 for T, again 20 for T, 9 for I, like that. If you add the numbers, you'll get 100. 100 out of 100. That is, the word attitude is very important. If a person is having attitude in something and aptitude in something, if a person is having attitude and aptitude, he will reach the altitudes. So what I am saying is attitude is also very important. So knowledge, skill, as well as attitude. The practice of conducting trial advocacy competition is to inculcate these three things: knowledge, skill, and attitude. And one more thing is there. Wisdom is also there. Wisdom is also important. What is wisdom? We may be having knowledge, we may be having capacity to express it, but on certain occasions, we should not raise certain questions. When conducting cross-examination, we should not raise some question. If you put that questions, that will turn like a boomerang against us. So that attitude, not to speak, not to raise, not to shoot the question, that is called wisdom. That is called wisdom. So wisdom is above all these things. So conducting these kinds of competitions is for imparting these things. See, knowledge gives you principle, but experience gives you wisdom. That is the difference. See, theory means theoretical knowledge shows you paths, but practice teaches you how to walk on it. That is the difference between practice and theory. Practice and theory. So, in other words, we can say law in books is not the same as law in action. These are the differences. Anyway, moot court is not just a competition. It's a preparation for real courtroom. Books teach you the provisions of law, moods teach you the application of law. So let me conclude my speech with a quotation. That is, law may be written in black and white, but justice is always argued in shades of human experience. So let this platform. See, one more thing I have to add is that, see, all of you may not be able to win the competition. Those who are failing, there's no way to fail, There is no way to fail. Fail has got an expansion. That expansion is first attempt in learning. First attempt in learning. Let it take it as a step for learning further. And let this be an experience. This is also an experience. Winning the competition is not a matter of significance. Participating in the competition is a matter of importance. So let this be an experience. Let this be an experience to all of you. Let us all see, our profession is a profession of learning from learning, So let it be a platform for all these things. So with these wishes, my heartiest congratulations to all participants and my best wishes for your future as lawyers, judges, scholars, and leaders of justice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your profoundly insightful and motivating words. Your powerful message truly reminds us that justice is not a final destination, but a continuous journey guided by empathy, equity, and endurance. Next, we are privileged to welcome another eminent figure whose presence is truly invaluable in the legal arena. His experienced counsel and dedicated leadership provide the very bedrock for many important legal initiatives. With great pleasure, we welcome Advocate Dilip Satyan Sir, Senior Criminal Lawyer and Special Prosecutor for the Kerala Police, Thiruvananthapuram. Sir's illustrious career spans over 2 decades, marked by his fearless advocacy, meticulous casework, and unwavering pursuit of justice in some of the most complex criminal trials in state. His expertise in handling high profile narcotics and homicide cases has not only strengthened the criminal justice system, but also set benchmarks for prosecutorial excellence. Sir's presence in this session is a source of immense pride for us, and his insights are sure to leave a lasting impression on every aspiring legal mind gathered here. Sir, we are honored to have you with us. So please.
I think good evening all will serve the purpose. Right? Actually, I am really jealous of these kind of people when the way in which they are speaking now. Even though I am having this 25 years of standing and I can handle things inside court. Whenever I am coming before the mic, even now, my heart is beating. So what I am trying to convey to you is that in the beginning, no, when I started my practice also, I was thinking this is not the right place for me. So after completing my LLB, actually one of my friends, one Stalin, he took us to law college actually. He was a very fan of Mammootty and on seeing the movie, the way in which he is performing in the movie as a lawyer, that inspired him and he took us to law college. And he, after completing the LLB, he went to Dubai. And now also he is there only and I am practicing here. So in the very beginning, I was having a feeling that I will not be able to handle things inside the court because this kind of attitude, I was feeling that, no, I am not the right person for that. So after completing the LLB, I went for MBA. Yeah. So fortunately, I got IGNO MBA entrance. So clearing MBA for IGNO, that time it was very prestigious thing. So I went. So after that, we used to meet every day evening. So whenever we are meeting, they used to say, today I went to court. The court asked me this thing and I said that and I got that order. So I went home and said, Mom, I'm getting a feeling that I want to see what is happening inside court. The worst thing I did in my life is that I never went to court during my court practice. So I was skipping all these things. So I was not having any idea what is actually happening inside the court. So once I went to court, I just to see what is actually happening inside the court. So I saw a lawyer is saying, law, my judge, as per the provision of this law, this petition has to be allowed. So the prosecutor is asking, as per which provision? So the court is also asking, is there is such provision in the law? Yes, Your Honor, there is some provision. The lawyer is showing some provision. The judge asking the prosecutor, are you sure? I want to look into this matter, Your Honor. Okay, I'm posting the matter to next week. You also go through the document. I will also go through this aspect. So I said, okay, if this thing is happening, why can't I make a try? So this is how, that is why I'm saying, no, even now. So even after having this much experience, we used to conduct a lot of murder, rape, and narcotic matter. Even then, when the case begins, when the witness is inside the box, we will be watching. The heart will be beating very fast. So I'm saying the kind of confidence that we are getting, that is from knowledge only. So the kind of confidence now we are having, that may help you. But if you are going through the right path, definitely that will help you a lot. Now going, I would like to make a comment on the competition, the way in which these guys are performing. Seriously, if from this experience, if I see that they're not actually, they can do better. If they are given with the proper guidance and the basics of law, definitely they can do better. But the way in which they are handling, when I am comparing things which I were doing after my enrollment also. See, if I am comparing this, no, these people are really marvelous. So what I am saying, definitely, don't decide anything now. Complete your LLB, start your practice. Within 5 years, you can understand whether you are capable of handling those situations. So then only you decide. Some people will say, no, I want to do trial advocacy. I want to be a trial lawyer. No, never decide those things now. Just move on. Try to find a good senior. Be there. Work there for at least for 5 years without any expectation. Don't see that your senior is making you to do something and he is earning 25,000 rupees and he is paying you 500 rupees and that senior is giving you an opportunity to appear before the court. Just think you are getting an opportunity. That worth more than crores actually. So you need to look into that aspect only. If you can struggle for at least 5 years, no, that you must work hard, keep your eyes, keep your ears open, and be a good junior and work hard without any expectation. Definitely, sky is the limit. So on seeing all this, the way in which you people are organized this art advocacy trial competition, definitely I'm really proud for this Law College Law Academy for organizing this kind of things. Definitely, if you people are understanding what is evidence and that is what I am always saying. Why if you are choosing trial advocacy, try to understand what is evidence. Basic things. Then relevancy of fact. What are the aspects which is relevant before the eye of law? We never use your common sense. If the law says this is mango, you don't argue this is a mic. If the law says this is mango, that is the definition given to certain things. So do always practice in such a way, then you can reach the heights. And I am really thankful because this is the third time I think I am coming here for the trial advocacy final. And I'm really happy that everyone is improving. So next year also I am expecting the same. And thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your truly insightful and fruitful words. We are deeply honored and enriched by your message. Now we are privileged to welcome Advocate Vijay Mohan R.S. Sir, Special Public Prosecutor, Fast Track Special Court, Thiruvananthapuram, to deliver the keynote address of this valedictory session.
Those friends. My most respectful Krishna Sir, Deep Satyam, Ashok, others, and the dignitaries here present and online, so much is there. Very much inspired of the two simple words from Kumar sir and our dear friend Dilip. So I am thinking of that aspect of we are on the drawing here. Last week, one lady came to the office, a young lawyer, is money up lawyer. So she asked me, sir, I expect around 15,000 monthly. Okay. Yes, I was asking telling to Anil sir and Harivan sir also. I was shattered. I was saying, okay, yes. 2 minutes I was silent. Then I was, can you suggest some points from here and give my file to her? No, no, you have to talk to me. Yes, okay, okay. Then that time I say, okay, you come once again. Then you study this and come. I will. What else you do run? Can we do for you for your fees? So coming to the point of that, the what is the lawyer now needs? No, I mean, all the situations will be there. We myself is only son is not believe Ashok Mayor, everything, lawyers. Up to 10 years, the struggle is really. It doesn't mean after 20 years, struggle will be less. Struggle will continue. Because what ought to be done is done by myself, ourselves for it. So, very much appreciated on the fact that after so many years, I came to hear a good court. I think I have been in white court since this is not right. Is the thing. So, so there must be educated is there because the sense what the Krishna says that what is the sense? When some sense is common sense is a sense which a common man doesn't have. But the legal sense that will not get from books. That will not get from sometimes that will get from that will get from the university. When the person is stepping in the shoes, when the person is stepping in the dock. So there starts the trial. There starts the case. As per the Kishore sir, that tough cross-examination. I have seen Dilip and Ashok in my course. I've only from the last 4 years I'm a prosecutor. So I have an opportunity to get the most renowned lawyers in my court as a defense lawyer. So that is the experience. So that is the experience I am seeking from them because how a person will get his eye on a law, on a case, coming to the case, taking a case, looking the psychology of a witness, looking the physical appearance of a witness, looking the mind of the witness. So we can see the mind of the witness while he is in the dock, he is in the box. So seeing these aspects, then only a trial lawyer or a criminal lawyer come budding up. Because as far as criminal law is concerned, examination is the main point. Law has a second aspect only. Civil law is entirely different because question of law comes, question of facts comes. But in criminal law, trial law is the main thing. No, I'm not going to the aspect of beating on the bush. As a prosecutor from the last some years, I am also in my practice then I am very much adamant on the aspect that I will not take a POXO case. But what happens is that become the prosecutor of the POXO court. So you have POXO court means what is that? Each case is a life. So not only a case, if a civil case is that life of a person, his property. If a criminal case is that life of person's life. If it is acquitted, he's okay. If it is convicted, to the jail. So as a lawyer, we have the opportunity, we have the duty bound to look at the aspect. So coming to these case laws, I'm very much appreciated on the fact that rape is the aspect. So while we three was on the bench was really discussing and some questions were asked was also what is the consent? Then comes to the point, what is consent defense? Consent defense in the Contract Act. So as a rape case is concerned, whether the consent is consent, what the main reason is consent. So POXO case is not consent is irrelevant. But in rape case, consent is irrelevant. And it's relevant. So the belief and Kishore says that relevant facts, how the relevant facts can be considered, how the relevant facts will deal the case. So these aspects I thought there's two words to say about the POXO cases. We have to look after the children. The society is that much worse that all the children has to be protected. We are on the aspect that whether the children is protected or not. No. We are in the fast life. We are in the fast track life. We are going to we know how our condition is that much bad. Because at the morning we are coming to the office, evening we are coming back to the home. Afterwards, what our children do, where our children go, where the children has meeting any person, where the children has gone to any person, we have no idea. But we have an eye. We must have an eye to the children. To the main fact is that about if it is a minor, the consent is irrelevant, but there is a consent case and so much is there. I'm not going to that aspect because I know it's procedures over. Anyway, I'm very happy. But I am certain also, if you are giving a problem, just share to us also. Some practical points will be included in that point, if you can. Some practical points, because something is lacking, means only academic in is there. So in this case is that one main aspect is what is rape? That is not in the question problem. Rape is penetrative sexual assault. That is because I don't know whether how much exposed you are right. Rape is penetrative sexual assault. Then only comes section 376. So what is penetrative sexual assault? It must be there in that problem. To come to the points, each and every point can be developed by a practical lawyer. We are ready to help anything for these upcoming lawyers, whether academically or practically. So that by making the problem, be careful about the practical sense also. That will be more better than anything. Okay, thank you very much. And everyone, appreciate everything. Arindra sir is there, Arvind sir is there. When Dakshana is there, everything over, everything, every person is there. Thank you very much. Your teacher, thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful and inspiring keynote address. Next, I'm honored to welcome Mr. Ashok P. Nair, sir, senior criminal lawyer from Thiruvananthapuram, whose remarkable legal journey and sharp understanding of criminal law continue to inspire the legal fraternity. Sir's decade of courtroom experience, especially in handling complex criminal cases, reflect not only his legal brilliance but also his unwavering commitment to justice. His calm demeanor, clarity of thought, and ability to mentor young lawyers have earned him deep respect across both academic and professional circles. We are grateful for your presence today, sir, and look forward to listen to the insights you'll share with us during this session. Sir, please.
Thank you, Law Academy. This thanks is for giving me opportunity to share the dice with one of my mentor and actually my teacher 22 years back, Dr. Mr. Krishnamurthy sir. And after a long time, I am seeing him here and sharing the dice with him. That is the opportunity that Law Academy given to me and giving me one more chance, one more thanks to the Academy for that purpose. Then, with regard to the course that you are doing right now is an LLB. And after a couple of months or a couple of years, you will be designated with an enrollment certificate and you people all will be designated as a lawyer. From the moment itself, you are going to start studying things. For the last 3 years or 5 years, you are just studying the academics, the sections, and the tips to pass the exam. The real test or the real examination starts when you switch on to the profession, switch on to the law, and addressing the courts. Once you get into the courts, neither the Contract Act, neither the CRPC, neither the BNSS or the Constitution will not be there. Only there, the status of a victim, the status of an accused, status of a plaintiff, and the facts of the case. So from the day onwards, you will start to know that all the things you studied from the college are nothing, but only to gather a degree. For a lawyer, the basic thing that you need to is only confidence, not with respect to the identity of the law, the knowledge of the law. Indeed, knowledge of the law is very much necessary, but If you know the law, but without confidence, you cannot achieve anything from the court or from the client. First, you have to impress your client. First, you have to gather or understand your client that my lawyer is enough or capable enough to handle my case, my life, because each and every cases are obviously the life of each and every person, whether it is a victim or another other side. So these persons are giving their life to our hand. So we are totally responsible to each and every persons to address their issue properly before a court of law. For that, we need great knowledge, great experience, and great expertise in the fact which we are handling, along with the confidence that I can handle the issue, I can solve my client's problem, and I can convince the judge. So this is the basic tip. And with respect to today's session, the entire participants, amazing performance by the participants. This type of what practices in the schedules of education or the curriculum is indeed necessary, because the students will, each and every students will get an exposure with respect to the identity of law, how the cross-examination should be conducted, and with respect to the arguments. And it is what addressing the arguments placed by the participants. It's great pleasure to address that. They are doing very well, and actually they are giving answers to the questions while they are arguing. It is very difficult to answer questions while arguing a matter, because we will be distracted. Even though in the past 22 years we were arguing before the court, and once some questions or some interruptions were come from the part of the court or from the other side, we'll usually will get distracted. But today, this guy is amazed me, because even though we three judges questioned them left and right, they stick on their points and they started arguing at the point where they are focused. Anyway, I'm very well wishing best of luck to all the participants and all of the participants here also. Thank you.
As we approach the eagerly awaited moment of the evening, the announcements of the results, we extend our most heartfelt congratulations in advance to all winners, and indeed to every dedicated participant. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Far and away, the best prize that life offers is the chance to work hard at work worth doing." To all our competitors, your dedication, your meticulous preparation, and your grace under pressure have exemplified both courage and purpose. You have not only completed, but contributed meaningfully to a legacy of excellence. You have exemplified the very essence of trial advocacy, command over courtroom strategy, clarity in legal reasoning, and the poise to advocate with conviction. Now we have the distinct honor to request Mr. N. Krishna Kumar sir to kindly announce the winners and the best witnesses of each role of the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition 2025. Sir, the floor is yours.
It is the most eagerly awaited moment of the day. That is result of the competition. Now, with the consent of all the dignitaries on the dais, judges who have chaired the courts, as well as the faculty members of Law Academy, and also the students of Law Academy and participants, and with the consent of all those who are in the online mode, let me announce the result of the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition 2025. First, I will announce the college which has become the runner-up. After that, the winner of the competition. Thereafter, I will be announcing the students from Law Academy Law College who have appeared as witnesses in the various trial advocacies forums. So this is the order in which we will be announcing the results. So the first result, that is a runner-up of the event. Runner-up of the event is Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University, Visakhapatnam. We also add the name of the participants. Nogeda Lavanya Lahari, first participant. Rotal Mehar Kusum, second participant of the college. Then the most eagerly awaited result, winner of the competition, that is the Central Law College, Salem. Name of the participants are Loga Vishag AP, Gopika PR. They are, I think they are in the online mode, right? So next, let me move on to the witnesses who have made the program colorful. Best wishes to them. PW1, prosecution witness number 1, Neeraja MD, Bincy Mary P. Joseph. I think we can give a certificate along with this, right? Or after that, how is it? After the announcement, okay. Then PW2, second prosecution witness, Kshatrik KS, Avantika Sharan Garden. PW5, Bhavani Biju Nair and Amal Rias. PW11, 11th prosecution witness, George T. Itti, Vihan Vinod. Then coming to defense witness. DW1, Devani SS and Shruti DA. Similarly, DW2, Mohammed Prince M. Rafi and Govind Pito. These are the names of the witnesses. Okay, sure. I think let us call them also. Sir, will the other dignitaries join us? We will now be having a small certificate ceremony for our best witnesses. I invite our dignitaries on the dais on the request of N. Krishnapar sir to join us in the front. For the first witness, we have prosecution witness 1, Natasha. Our best witnesses are Neeraja MB and Bincy Mary P. Joseph. Moving on to prosecution witness 2, Joy Matthew. We have Shatrik and Avantika. Prosecution witness 5, Dr. Jamila. We have Bhavani Biju Nair and Amal Niyas.
We now have prosecution witness 11, Siddharth Raj. We have George Etty and Vihan Vinod. Moving on to defense witness 1, Praveen. We have Devyani and Shruti. And lastly, we have defense witness 2, Sharaf Ali himself. We have Mohammed Faiz and Gokul. That brings us to our conclusion of the best witnesses. We will once again like to thank all the participants who have joined us, and a big congratulations to the winners. Once again, the runners-up for the competition is from the College of Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University. The winners being Tegara Lavanya Lahiri, Rotel Mehar Kulsum, and Adil Khan. And for our best team for this trial advocacy, we have the Central Law College Salem, and we have the winners Logavigash AP, Gopika PR, and Ritanya S. Once again, congratulations to all the winners. So, in celebration of the spirited advocacy and courtroom brilliance displayed throughout this competition, we now present a special video montage featuring our participants in action. The tribute captures the passion each team brought to the courtroom, honoring their role in making this trial advocacy competition truly memorable. Let us take a moment to applaud them.
A very good evening to all. The Kerala Law Academy extends its heartfelt gratitude to all the participants of the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition 2025. Your passion, preparation and professionalism have made this event a remarkable success. Each team brought with them a unique perspective, sharp advocacy and unwavering dedication to the pursuit of justice. Through your efforts, the spirit of legal learning and courtroom excellence truly came alive. Thank you for being a part of this journey and for making the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition a memorable and inspiring experience for all.
Mubazireen Saeed, Shahista Imam and Umrah from Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram.
Hanya Vinod, Khayanti and Parvati S. Jain from Christ deemed to be University, Pune.
Adil Khan, Rotel Mehar Kulsum, Tengada Lavanya Lahari from Damodara Sanjeevaya National Law University.
Ashwin Shashidharan, Imran Khan, Vishnu Mohan from Government Law College, Trivandrum.
Adit Joseph PPA and Grigori, Prarthana Krishnan U from Mar Grigorius College of Law.
Meera Krishnan, Asna Fatima and Joyce Joy from Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram.
Satak Bobade, Somya Kandelwal and Vishesh Nagda from Narsimundi Institute of Management Studies.
Divyanshi Shukla, Sharfresh Alam, Vetanshi Mishra from National University, Bhopal.
Ashwini V. Pradamboda Rajendra Kamble, Rajashekara Reddy K from National Law School of India, University, Bangalore.
Akhil Kumar KS, Ananya Nambyar, Hridya S. Kumar from National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi.
Meenakshi AJ, Amrita P. Kurup and Afrin Ammai from the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram.
K. Sai Sanaha, Shreya Reddy Vemalapatti and Ushna Sania from Ramaya School of Law.
Adich Gupta, Kimaya Vinayak Delvi and Navdev Singh from SVKM's Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies.
Sanvia Ruduppa, Shreya Pramukh Dikruz, Swapna Haridas from Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad.
Gopika PR, Logavigash AP and Ritanya from the Central Law College.
Navini Riddhika Srimati Venkatesan from the Central Law College.
Samiksha Nilesh Yadav, Sanjana Shivaji Yoge, Sanskriti Vilas Chimani from University of Mumbai Law Academy.
As this exemplary event draws to a close, we take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Shibu PG Sir, Assistant Professor, Kerala Academy Law College, for his steadfast guidance, meticulous coordination, and unwavering support throughout the successful conduct of this competition. We are deeply thankful for your commitment to excellence and your continued encouragement to all of us. Sir, may we now invite you to deliver the word of thanks to this valedictory ceremony.
Esteemed Professor Dr. N. Krishna Secretary of Legislative Assembly, Advocate Dilip Satyan sir, criminal law, and the Special Prosecutor for the Kerala Police, Advocate Vijay Mohan Amras, sir, Special Public Prosecutor for Hashtag Special Court Tribunal, Advocate Ashwin, sir, criminal law Tribunal, Advocate Nagaraj Narayan sir, Director Kerala Law Academy Law College and member by the Council of Kerala. So, sir, Director of Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Esteemed faculty members, honored dignitaries, dedicated participants, and valued members of the legal fraternity. A very good evening to all. On behalf of Kerala Law Academy, I extend our sincere gratitude as we conclude the inaugural section of the 6th Kerala Law Academy Advocacy Competition 2025. Your presence and participation have made this occasion truly memorable and have set a standard for the competition ahead. We extend our deepest gratitude to Professor Dr. N. Krishna sir, Secretary of Kerala Legislative Assembly, for gracing us with his esteemed presence and delivering the valedictory address. Sir, your insightful words and profound instructions have added immense value to this event and inspired every aspiring advocate present here. Your remarkable contributions to the field of law and your unwavering commitment to gaining young legal minds continue to motivate us to pursue excellence with integrity and purpose. We are sincerely grateful to you, sir. We express our sincere appreciation to Dilip Satyan sir, Special Prosecutor for the Kerala Police, for gracing us with your presence. Sir, your presence insights drawn from years of dedicated service in the field of criminal law have truly enlightened and inspired us. Your words reflecting experience, integrity, and commitment to justice have left a lasting impression on every aspiring lawyers here today. We express our heartfelt gratitude to Advocate Vijay Mohan sir for gracing this occasion with your presence. Sir, your years of wisdom, born from years of experience in the courtroom, and your unwavering commitment to justice have truly enlightened and motivated us. Your guidance and insights have added great value to this event and will undoubtedly inspire all the aspiring lawyers present here. We are deeply thankful to you, sir. This opportunity to extend our sincere appreciation to Ashok sir, Senior Criminal Lawyer today. Sir, your days born from your past experience in the field of criminal law have offered deep insight and inspiration to Indian present. Your words have enriched this gathering and encouraged us to look at the practice of work with a great passion and purpose. Thank you, sir. Sincere gratitude to Yogesh Nayan, sir, Director of Kerala Valedictory and member of the Bar Council of Kerala, for your devoted support in guiding the institution and its academic initiatives. Our heartfelt thanks to Professor Ankumal Kesar, administration, students, and faculty of us for the consistent encouragement and valuable guidance to the organizing committee for the planning and execution of this event. Special thanks to Professor Hamindran K. Sir, Principal of Kerala Law Academy Law Course, for the constant encouragement and for the first year also for excellence that makes events like this possible. Sir. Sir, I am responsible for the thoughtful leadership and support in shaping the academic spirit of this foundation. Thank you, sir. We also wish to thank Professor Dr. Ajlan, Head of Department, for the dedicated service, leadership, and contribution to academic excellence. Thank you. Sincere appreciation to Dr. Dakshana Saraswati, Associate Professor and General Secretary of Kerala Medical Society, for the earnest efforts and dedicated coordination that have been instrumental in the success of this competition. Thank you, ma'am. Extend heartfelt gratitude to the Kerala Law Academy Medical Society teams, Dr. Nanavuga J, Chief Coordinator MCS, Mrs. Sami AP, Joint General Secretary, Mr. Iridani, Joint General Secretary, MCS Training Coordinator, Mr. Suman Sako Matthew, MCS Media Coordinator, Manufacturing Sir, MCS Program Coordinator, for your tireless efforts, guidance, and vision which have been promoted in successful organization of this event. I'm deeply thankful to the faculty conveners whose diligent support with all arrangements possible. Assistant Professors, Shakti Sir, Shashidharan Sir, Shibin Purnam Sir, Bhavati Devi JB, and students conveners, Arjun Sun and Aishwarya Tulsi for your coordination, which have been central to the smooth conduct of today's event. One thanks to all our student conveners and student moderators for their energy and meticulous organization behind the scenes. Our thanks to the technical and IT team, the institution, and the hospitality teams, volunteers, and the anchoring teams for ensuring a seamless virtual experience. We had a very good, even in one unseen army. Thank you for being brought army today. To the judges and members who have agreed to evaluate and guide our participants, your time and expertise add immense value to this competition. We deeply appreciate your support. All participants joining us from across the country, thank you for being here and for your enthusiasm. We wish every team the very best for the competition. May this forum sharpen your skills and expand your horizons. Thank you once again to everyone who contributed to the success of this Valedictory section. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for those gracious and eloquent words. Indeed, gratitude transforms ordinary moments into blessings and successful endings into meaningful beginnings. The 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition stands today as a resounding success, thanks to the relentless dedication, precision, and behind the scenes brilliance of our exceptional faculty and student teams. Your commitment, often unseen but deeply felt, has been the backbone of this event's seamless execution and professional excellence. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you for your tireless efforts and unyielding spirit. Next, to honor that spirit, our media team has curated a powerful behind the scenes glimpse, capturing the synergy, discipline, and passion with which every committee, faculty member, and technical hand came together as one. Let's
Team, it is truly inspiring to see how beautifully we all came together to work as a single unit for the success of this monumental event. Special thanks to the media team for brilliantly capturing these moments of synergy. Indeed, before we conclude, let's take a moment to reflect on deeper spirit of this competition. Not as a clash of legal arguments, but as a meaningful pursuit of understanding and justice. Each submission, each strategic objection, and each compelling rebuttal has contributed to a larger ideal, the pursuit of sustainable justice through intellectual rigor and respectful advocacy.
finally, to all participants, faculty, and tireless organizers, you have been the vibrant heartbeat of this entire competition. Thank you for making the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition 2025 an unforgettable success. With hearts full of gratitude and minds enriched with new wisdom, This is George Abraham Thomas and Joel Jancy Jacob signing off from the valedictory ceremony of the 6th Kerala Law Academy Trial Advocacy Competition 2025. Before we conclude, I request all the attendees of the session to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all.